How to achieve wealth for 2024 for your own great advantage. You are welcome to my channel where I discuss everything about earning income on the online space. Here on this channel, I talk about stocks, I talk about investments, I talk about bonds, shares, derivatives, and different online earning methods that will help you be financially stable, independent, and free. You are welcome to my channel. My name is Bolade and I talk about different online earning methods. Now, how do you achieve wealth for 2024? The first thing that I know and that works very well is in the book of the Bible, the Holy Bible. If you are not a Christian, you can still get yourself acquainted with this, and it will help everyone watching me, my viewers, and all my beautiful subscribers. In the book of Deuteronomy 8:18, it is the Lord that gives power to make wealth. So the number one skill you need is to know God.